Rabbit, rabbit, everyone. Happy February. This is the monthly time when I wish you good financial luck by sharing some basic nuts and bolts about personal finance. Have you heard about this trend where people are picking a word for the year, like a theme, instead of doing resolutions? My word for 2019 is impact. I'm really focused on finding ways to both broaden and deepen the impact I have on the world. Because I'm a financial planner, I spend a lot of time thinking about the things that will impact my clients' financial lives, both positively and negatively. And lately I've had quite a few friends and clients who have been dealing with the really difficult reality of a parent who needs long-term care. And they've been, trying to navigate this system that's totally new to them, struggling with ways to find the best care possible for their parent. It's such a stress, such a drain. And of course, that doesn't even go into the financial burden. If there were a way to have some resources available, if that were to happen, wouldn't that be lovely? So I have a confession to make to you all. For 20 years now, I have been licensed to sell insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, and more recently, long-term care. But I don't talk about it very often because of the stereotype of the insurance salesman. I don't want to be that person you guys all avoid sitting next to because you think I'm going to be pushing insurance on you. However, thinking about these clients and friends dealing with things, I've come to the conclusion that perhaps I'm doing a disservice by not talking about it. So that's part of my resolution to have a bigger impact this year, is to try to demystify this area, share with you guys some basic info and some tips on how to make good decisions. Here's the thing about insurance. It's about leverage. You get out more dollars than you put in if the disaster were to occur, right? I can do lots of great work with my clients on their spending and making sure they have their emergency fund set, and looking at their debt, how to pay down maybe credit cards or student loans, doing their Roth IRA contributions, looking at the allocation of assets in their 401k. That all has a positive impact. However, a disability, right, an interruption in their ability to earn an income, premature death, either of my clients or someone upon whom they or their kids rely, even an ex who's paying like child support and alimony, right, if that person were to pass away, or my clients or someone they love needing long-term care. Any of these things occurring can blow up a financial plan so quickly because the impact is so devastating. It's worth exploring whether it makes sense to put some dollars aside toward that. It's complicated. It really is. There's trade-offs involved. There's a lot of fancy products out there. It's difficult to know what to do, but that's what I do, right? I help my clients understand complicated financial situations, know the trade-offs, and make informed decisions. And I always say that part of my job is to help people think about what could go wrong. So my suggestion and my offer to you for February to bring you better financial luck is take a look at your insurance. Understand what you've got. Do you have stuff through work? That's great. Make sure you understand what it is, what it covers, what it doesn't. Make sure you look at your beneficiaries. Are they up to date? Know that if you have insurance through work, when you leave that work, then usually that coverage ends too. Do you have policies that you own yourself? When's the last time you took a look at them? Do you really understand what they cover and what they don't? Do you have, a need that you've been kind of putting off dealing with for a while? So my offer to you is this. I can help. I can help translate. I can help you understand what you've got. I can help you research and understand your options. I actually have an insurance inventory sheet that I can post below for you to take a look at what you've got yourself. But don't put it off. It is important. It's the stuff nobody likes to think about it, but it can have a huge impact. Rabbit, rabbit, everyone. Happy February, my favorite month of the year, and love you all.